And what happened in those days that the animals, my goodness, if the human being could not take that message to repent and to turn to God and go to the ark, you know who was more intelligent than the human being? The animals. The animals. You know why something about animals? Because they are connected with creation. They can tell danger. They can tell something is not right. Watch this winter time. Animals always. We used to have a dog that tells us that something's going to come. And we know that we're going to have a lot of snow coming in. But the animals was more intelligent than us. They have more common sense than us. Oh my God. What about the church of the Lord? Are we going to wake up? Are we going to really be satisfied for whatever we are doing now? It is time to start proclaiming the gospel of Jesus Christ. It is time for you to arise. It's a time for you to raise your voice. Let them call you fanatic. Tell your neighbor about Jesus. Tell you in your working place. Tell about Jesus.